In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your door lift support on your Honda CR-V. It's located on your back door. Okay, using an 8mm socket, we're going to take out this bolt. Now we're going to go underneath the door and take out the two bolts underneath with a 10mm socket. After we take out those bolts, we're going to wiggle that off, and that'll remove it. All right, to install, we are going to push down on this, start our bolt. You're going to move your support underneath your vehicle, and then you're going to line up your bolts. Once you get those three started, you can then tighten down. Again, using a 10mm underneath the door for a socket. Now you're going to use your 8mm socket and tighten down the other bolt. So you're going to torque your 10mm socket bolts to 84 inch-pounds. All right, and now you're going to torque your 8mm socket bolt to 50 inch-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.